As said, where there is a will, there is a way. Thanks to eVision Technoservice Private Limited. eVision gives me the opportunity to learn many things in IT profile and gives me right direction toward my career path. Hello, I am Ayush Prakash from Lucknow. I completed BTech in Civil Engineering from Anand Engineering College in 2021. I had enrolled on October for OGT program in eVision. I got best trainer and helpful staff member who supports me to get a job in IT field. Trainers are very helpful, supportive and motivated me to learn something advanced in IT. They cover theory part as well as practical knowledge very effectively. I am happy to say that I got job offer from PRM Solution Private Limited with salary offered 3 LPA. Generally recommended eVision to those who want to start their career in IT industry, especially for freshers. Thank you eVision and their placement team.